बब्बर शेर पंजाब दा बब्बर शेर यार न्यूज तेरे को मेरी फिल्म की चाहिए तो तेरा को देख ले भैया फिल्म और तू मुझे न्यूज दे। बब्बर शेर पंजाब दा शेर पंजाब दे चीते फिल्म देख के बता मुझे कैसे बनाई हम लोगों ने यार। Abiz Mirza wants to know who my favorite character from People Live is. Well, you know they're all very good characters. Yeah, I think Natha is great, Budhiya is great, Amma is great. Amma is a very entertaining character. यार पंजाब से बड़े लोग हैं यहाँ पे. What do you do when you are not shooting? Amia Yelapurkar. Ameya, I like to read and I like to spend time with my family when I'm not shooting. Milano Gul Gidwani, would you ever appear in any of the Indian award functions? I do. I have appeared in a number of Indian award functions. I have been to the Gulapudi Awards in Chennai and I have been to the Dinanath Mangeshkar Awards here in Mumbai. So it's not as if I don't go to award ceremonies, but I need to have some value in my heart for the organization that is inviting me. सर जी ये पीपली लाइव की अम्मा कहाँ मिलेंगी? गुरप्रीत सिंह अतवाल कहते हैं सर जी ये पीपली लाइव की अम्मा कहाँ मिलेंगी? टेल मी अबाउट हर. रियली लाइक्ड हर. हाँ एक मिनट यार ये बहुत जल्दी जाता है. गुरप्रीत जी अम्मा जो है वो वाकई बहुत कमाल की हैं. ट्रेलर में तो आपने देखा ही है, फिल्म में भी बहुत कमाल की हैं. और बल्कि हमने कुछ अम्मा के हमने कुछ खास रिकॉर्डिंग्स भी की हैं जो हम संडे को रिलीज करेंगे. आपके मोबाइल फोन के लिए रिंगटोन्स और वो अलग अलग किस्म के अम्मा की आवाज में अम्मा ने काफी चीजें रिकॉर्ड करी हैं आप लोगों के लिए. सो यू सी हाउ यू लाइक दैट. शी इज अ वेरी एंटरटेनिंग कैरेक्टर. और जो वो स्क्रीन पे करती हैं उसका एक वो तो एक नमूना है जो उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड किया आप लोगों के लिए मोबाइल फोन के लिए. तो मजा आएगा आप लोगों को. Nureen Nurali, any horror movies? Nureen, you know that's a great question here. I think horror movies are great. I mean, I get very scared when I'm watching horror movies, so I'm not able to watch them. But I'd love to do a horror movie because I love scaring people. So one of these days, I hope that I'll get a good script which is a horror movie, and I'm going to enjoy scaring the pants off you guys. So watch out. इसके बाद मैं जो व्हाट इज दैट. सोहेल त्रिवेदी वांट्स टू नो कि मैं अमित जी के साथ फिल्म कब करूंगा. सोहेल यार आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ अमित जी. So if I ever get the chance to work with him, it will be an honor for me. It will be a pleasure for me. In fact, hopefully I'm meeting him tomorrow. So, but if some script comes up, you know, then I'd love to do a film with him. Yeah. Sagar Sadhwani says, "Hi Amir, Ramzan Mubarak ho and Hariyali Tez Mubarak." Well, Sagar, Ramzan Mubarak to you as well. And Abhishek Jain, Chennai से भी हैं. We love you. Hi Abhishek. So you are from Chennai, and when are you coming to Chennai? बिरयानी खाने जरूर घर आना. Abhishek, I'd love to come, and Chennai is in fact one of my favorite places. A lot of my friends live there. Murgadas, A.R. Rahman, a lot of people I've worked with live there. Ravi Chandran. So I really enjoy coming there because I think there's a lot of really talented people. I'm a big fan of Mr. Rajnikant, and so I love coming to Chennai and meeting people from the film industry over there, the Tamil film industries. You know, Sonam, please, please what? Please. Sonam from Pune. Hi Sonam, how are you? Please say Madhuri's papa eating sugar. No, kya? Shirvani Amit says, please say Madhuri's papa eating sugar. No, papa. For my 2-year daughter who is big fan of it. Okay, so here goes. Madhuri's papa eating sugar. No, papa. So that's especially for you. What makes you a perfectionist and what makes you tick? This is Ramanpreet Singh. Ramanpreet, yaar. I don't know whether you can actually be, a perfectionist, and I don't even think any of us are perfect. I don't think, especially in this field of films, there's no such thing as perfect, It's each one's own way of doing it. What may look right to me may not look right to you. So films is such a subjective medium that there's no such thing as perfect. And so I don't think I'm a perfectionist. I'm somebody who enjoys his work. I enjoy what I'm doing, and I do it in the way that I feel, that I know how to do it, and then I hope that people like it. So I don't think I'm a perfectionist. I just do what I feel like doing. So yeah, I've noticed a lot of people have asked me why we are releasing the film Peepli Live in Ramzan. So I guess it's something that I'm not happy about, as you can well imagine. But the problem with that is that Peepli Live is a film which doesn't have any stars in it, and Ramzan is a period that most big films try and avoid releasing in Ramzan. So for example, Dabangg, which is a very big film of Salman's, coming out on Eid. Now if Peepli Live doesn't come out in Ramzan, it can't come with Dabangg. You guys will watch Dabangg, you'll all forget about Peepli Live. So the only time that small films get, really, when I say small films, I mean films with no stars in it. I don't think any film is big or small. I feel that the attention that a film that no stars has got, it doesn't stand a chance when it's competing with films with really huge stars in it. So all of us felt that it has to come in a period that no other big film is coming in, and all the big films avoid Ramzan. So I guess that's the time that you get to release small films. And I don't know how many of you remember that actually my first film, Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, also released in Ramzan, and it was towards the beginning of Ramzan. In fact, we had to go through 3 weeks of Ramzan before we came to Eid. So my first film as an actor actually released during Ramzan, and even at that time I was not happy about it. But again, it was a film where we were all newcomers, and that was the only time that we got where no other big film was coming. So we came in Ramzan, and I guess that's what we're trying with Peepli Live as well. So I think for those of you who do not watch films in Ramzan, I feel unhappy about that. I feel very sad about that, and but my hands are tied. This is the reality of the situation. It's not something I'm happy about. So let's see how it goes here. But I hope that you guys, even if those of you who are not able to see the film, at least you all can pray for us and hope that the film turns out well and people like the film, and support us emotionally. So let me see what's next. Saurabh Podar, what will you say about Sallu's comment that आप जिस चीज को भी छू लेते हैं वो गोल्ड बन जाती है? Saurabh Podar, अरे यार, Salman is a really sweet friend, and he says a lot of nice things about me. He saw the film yesterday. He saw Peepli Live yesterday, and he really loved it, and I was really happy about that. That Salman really liked the film. And in fact, a number of my friends came yesterday. There was Sachin was there yesterday. Sachin Tendulkar and Rani and Deepika was there, and so a number of my friends from the industry had come in to see the film. Last few days they've been coming in to see the film. Anil was there, and